Hello again. I welcome you all. Today we'll be keep working on our old Christmas ornaments. I'm gonna give them new life, new look, new design. This is one of them. What do we need today? We need a piece of tulle or some transparent fabric, like pieces of curtain. A bell. This is a kind of bell that we use for Christmas gifts or Christmas decorations. We are going to make it look a little fancy. Ribbons. Okay, this time I decided now I'm not gonna make same stuff as the sample that I have here, like the orange one. I was decided to change the color, change the ribbons and change the shape of this little bell and the jewel that we're going to use. Why? Because like I always say, what I'm showing you here is just a suggestion. You can pick your own color, you can pick your own fabric, your own decoration, which when we use the crystal rainstorms, charms. We're gonna need scissors, little screwdriver and a glue gun. So let's start it. The first step is to remove the plastic part, which we connect the hook into the ornament. I'm gonna save it for later. And now we're going to wrap around the pieces of tulle or the fabric that you have around this ball. This is a plastic ornament. Try to not use the glass one for this kind of work, because we're going to push all this fabric inside this ornament with the help of the screwdriver. I'm cutting the pieces that are left because there will be too much of the fabric to put inside. See, there is a little hole. Yeah, and if you would have a glass ornament, I would be afraid it may break, because I know they're very fragile, gentle. And here we have a plastic, so you don't have to be afraid. You can squeeze it, you can hold it tight, because trust me, you have to push pretty hard sometimes. Okay, so let's push all these pieces, the ends, inside this little hole. Try to push everything. Make sure nothing is sticking out. Okay. Okay, this is the first layer, but to make it look better, we're gonna use another layer, and to save some time, we're gonna make it double. So let's cut another piece of fabric or a tulle like I have here. Make sure it's long enough to wrap around the ornament. And like I said, you can use a different type of fabrics. Just listen if I say that the fabric or the stuff that I use has to be soft. Make sure that one that you use is soft too. So like here, a piece of regular curtain would be also great. It will look good if it had some design, maybe some flowers, maybe some stars. That's all up to you. Just make sure, if I say that it has to be transparent and soft, make sure it's soft. Don't use something thick. Like here, it would be very hard to press inside some hard, thick material. Now let's put the plastic piece back. Here we're going to connect the hook, which I don't use. I don't like this metal hooks. I'm trying to use a ribbon or some straps. See, this is same thing but different, because have a different color. Okay, next step, we're gonna make a bow from the same type of fabric that we were using to wrap around this bow. Okay, bow, you can make it single, or you can make it double, like I'm going to make. When you make it double, you have to bend the fabric or the ribbon 4 times. See, this is how we do it. That's why I don't like to speed up my videos too much, because you can see very clearly how I'm making those things. So you have like 4 arms, 2 are longer, 2 are shorter. It will help us to make it, that's how I call them, double bow, a bow. Now let's cut a piece of tiny ribbon. It's going to be also the hook for our ornament. I mean, not the hook, but the thing that I'm using instead of the hook. Okay, so let's tie it in the middle of our bow. Make the knot to make sure it will not get loose and fall apart. Let's cut it a little longer. Yeah, this is the way I'm showing how to cut the, I'm pretty sure you already know how to cut the ribbon. Not straight, remember, never cut it straight, because it looks flat and not nice. I don't want to say ugly. Okay, now let's make it a little fluffy. That's what you should do with all the bows that you're buying ready in Walmart or any stores to decorate our Christmas trees. They are all flat. So to make them look nice, just work on them with your fingers, make them fluffy, spread all the material or fabric or whatever they are made of, and this is going to give them a better look. Okay, now we are going to need our crystal or rhinestone or charm, imitation of diamonds, pearls, whatever, something that it's sparkling and shiny, and you can see it from far, and it's pretty. I picked the red one, like a ruby. Now I'm gonna place it in the middle of our bowl. Okay. This we are going to connect with the ornament that we made. With the help of the glue gun, place it on the ornament. And this is going to be a top of our ornament. I already mentioned this before, but I'm gonna do it again, that whatever we making in here, we don't have to use it straight on the Christmas tree. No, can be used on the red, can be put it on the table, and can be tied it around the candle. It can be hanging on the door, on the wall, even by the ceiling. It can also be used to create another different Christmas ornaments, which I'm going to show you in my next video. Okay, see? Same but different. Now the bell. So we have this little bells that we're using to, I like to use them to Christmas presents because they are making a little noise and it's funny. I'm gonna make a kind of the flower. Let's cut a piece of ribbon, connect it with the bell part. The hole is very little, so it's not easy, but there you go. Got it. Okay, now the bell goes into the little plastic flower. This is okay, I got it from my daughter, her bow. The bow got broken, so of course I didn't throw it away because I thought, well, maybe I will use it one day, and there you go. They were this kind of crystal flowers, which now I'm going to transfer into the Christmas ornaments. There you go. We have a bell. That was flat, that's why I cut it again. I don't like this flat ends, straight flat ends. I don't like anything that is too simple, too straight, and too flat. Okay, we are going to connect this flower bell with the help of the glue gun to our ornament. It's going to hang on the bottom of it. Christmas time is a great time to use your imagination, your creative imagination to do this kind of decoration. Really, you can do Christmas balls, you can do wreaths, you can do Christmas trees. Lately I was even using the eggshells and coffee beans to make Christmas ornaments, and this is going to be one of my videos. It came really nice, so I invite you to my channel. Okay, let's tie the knot at the end, and there you go. Like I said, same but different. This is how it looks hanging